New research spawns hope for couples trying to conceive. If you're trying to conceive, but male factor issues are preventing you, meaning, low count, poor shape and bad motility are keeping you from achieving your dreams of starting a family, then please continue on. Unlike some male fertility products found on the market, the requirements for inclusion in this groundbreaking formula were strict. Ingredients must be proven effective in clinical trials, extensively researched, and be safe for long-term use. These stringent requirements are to ensure the safest and most effective male fertility enhancer on the market to date. This incredible new offering was produced by reviewing hundreds of clinical studies, to find only those ingredients with the absolute best results for reproductive and sexual health. 5 of those ingredients studied proved to be the clear winners in improving male fertility, hence the name, VigRx Fertility Factor 5. These ingredients also combine to produce 5 critical improvements that factor into male fertility: higher sperm motility, sperm count, sperm shape, semen volume, and libido. This exclusive formula gets results for real people. In addition to improving the chances of pregnancy, several of these ingredients have proven effective in improving men's libido, longevity, and arousal in the bedroom. VigRx Fertility Factor 5 brings together the best of ancient medicine and current science for cutting-edge improvements of men's fertility and sexual health. Tongkat Ali LJ100. This is the heart of Fertility Factor 5, long linked to better male fertility, developed by leading researchers at famous MIT. This patented extract is effective for sperm production and improving sexual function. Panax ginseng has been used in Asian medicine to treat reproductive health for centuries, and the latest science proves it to be effective for increasing libido, sperm count, and sperm motility. VigRx Fertility Factor 5 also contains 2 essential minerals, zinc and selenium, that are well known to be associated with male fertility. Zinc. Sperm loves zinc. Studies of infertile men show they often have zinc deficiency. It's shown to help sperm develop and interact, called motility. Zinc has a very positive effect on male fertility. Selenium. 40% of infertile males suffer from a low selenium level. Scientific research has shown that semen volume, shape, count, and viability are all improved with the dosage of selenium. Bioperine. Known for its amplifying effects on other ingredients. Known as black pepper extract, bioperine is a 95+% pure extract, which makes each of the other ingredients more bioavailable within the body. These 5 incredible ingredients are powerful on their own and work synergistically to end the frustration and embarrassment of male infertility. Study after study showed these were the most effective ingredients to reverse infertility issues and improve sexual health. Researchers pored over clinical trials of each individual ingredient in respected publications, including Journal of Biology, The Systems Biology in Reproductive Medicine, and Techniques in Urology and Nephrology. Additionally, the Asian Journal of Andrology published a study on Tongkat Ali LJ100 with men that had been told they were unable to achieve natural conception. After the study, 100% of participants showed improvement in sperm shape, count, and movement. Even better, 15% of those in the trial impregnated their partners during the study. Of those whose LJ100 supplementation didn't result in pregnancy, many were eligible for in vitro or other fertilization methods that they weren't eligible for prior to the study. These reproductive and sexual health improvements will change the lives of men and women, and their growing families. And best of all, there are no prescriptions, no doctor's visits, no nasty side effects, and it is safe to be taken long-term. This is a game changer in the men's fertility field. What their customers are saying. Marcos. My wife and I had been trying to conceive for months without success. However, after taking Fertility Factor 5 for a few weeks, all my tests started to show better motility as well as better morphology. My wife is now 2 months pregnant, and we are ecstatic. Brian, if anything like a magic pill existed, then VigRx Fertility Factor 5 is the one. It didn't only help me heal from fertility issues but also helped me gain my confidence again. My wife is pregnant, and we are a happy couple now. Click the link in the description below for complete product information and your 67-day risk-free trial offer.